Are you tired of your gaming dreams being dashed by sky-high prices? Fear not, fellow gamer. Welcome to the ultimate guide on the best budget gaming PCs, where we'll show you that you don't need to sell a kidney to enjoy epic gameplay. Whether you're dodging digital bullets or building virtual empires, you deserve a rig that won't have your wallet crying in despair. Get ready to dive into a world where high performance meets low prices, all while keeping your extra cash for those all-important snack breaks. Let's gear up. Your gaming adventure waits without the budget hangover. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, consumerpick.com. Like this video? Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in! Number 5. Skytech Gaming Nebula, our pick for best budget upgradable gaming PC. Are you a gamer on a budget who wants to level up without draining your wallet? Enter the Skytech Nebula Gaming PC, your new best friend in the gaming universe. This rig is the ultimate treasure for those of you who crave performance without the financial hangover. With the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 and an Intel Core i5-13400F processor powering your gaming experience, you can dive into the latest titles with gameplay smoother than a cat on a freshly waxed floor. And let's not overlook the 4 RGB lit fans, the perfect blend of eye candy and functional cooling to keep your epic battles from turning into a hot mess. A 1TB NVMe SSD means you'll zoom through loading screens faster than you can say game on, giving you more time to unleash your inner hero. Tired of your setup cramping your style? The Nebula's spacious mid-size ATX case is ready for your upgrades, so you can swap in graphics cards or extra storage as your gaming demands evolve. Sure, the Nebula's port selection might not be a buffet, but it covers the essentials. Just think of it as a chic, minimalist look. If you're hunting for a budget-friendly powerhouse that packs a punch and leaves room for growth, the Skytech Nebula is the perfect sidekick for your gaming adventures. Number 4. MXZ Gaming Desktop, our pick for best budget RGB gaming PC. Leveling up your gaming experience isn't just about cranking up the specs, it's also about how your space looks while you dominate the competition. Enter the MXZ Gaming PC, your new best buddy in both performance and aesthetic appeal. With 6 RGB fans, 3 in the front and 3 lighting up the spacious interior, you're not just gaming, you're setting the mood. Who needs a night out when your rig is glowing like a disco ball? But it's what's inside that count, right? With a Ryzen 5 5500 CPU buzzing at a cool 3.6 GHz, paired with a GTX 1660 Super GPU, you're set to handle today's hottest titles without breaking a sweat. But let's have a chat about that 500 GB storage. It might feel roomy now, but your game library will expand faster than your caffeine consumption during a marathon session. Might I suggest snagging an external SSD or hopping onto some nifty cloud gaming services? If you're serious about future-proofing your setup, consider the upgraded model. With 1 TB of storage and an AMD Radeon RX 7600 GPU, you'll easily crush your gaming goals and keep your library full. So assess your needs, embrace the glow, and get ready to conquer your gaming world. Still searching for the perfect budget gaming PC? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Skytech Archangel, our pick for best budget premium gaming PC. Are you on the hunt for a gaming PC that doesn't require a second mortgage? Say hello to the Skytech Archangel. This beastly desktop is like that friend who never borrows money but always brings the snacks to your game night. With Intel's i5-12400F CPU and an NVIDIA RTX 4060 Ti GPU, brace you for smooth gameplay on today's hottest titles and stellar performance in everything from Unity to Adobe. Creative projects? Piece of cake. But wait, there's more. The Archangel doesn't just deliver performance, it looks good doing it. With a sleek white exterior, a mesh front cover, and 4 RGB fans that make it cooler than your average gaming rig, you'll be turning heads in the best way possible. And let's not forget the tempered glass side panel, easy access for upgrades when you feel like flexing your tech-savvy muscles. What's truly impressive? This powerhouse whispers instead of roars, even when you're pushing it to the edge. You'll hardly notice it's there until you watch your friend's jaws drop at your skills. So if you're ready to elevate your gaming and creative and escapade without emptying your wallet, the Skytech Archangel is your perfect match. Don't settle for mediocre. Embrace your digital adventures with style and power. Number 2, Acer Predator Orion 3000, our pick for best budget compact gaming PC. Are you on the lookout for a gaming PC that won't break the bank or your desk? Say hello to the Acer Predator Orion 3000, your compact powerhouse that packs a punch. With a snazzy GTX 1660 graphics card and an Intel Core i5 processor, this beauty is ready to tackle 1080p gaming like a champ. So whether you're a hardcore gamer or just love the occasional romp through virtual worlds, this rig has got your back. Now I know what you're thinking. Is it even available? Fear not. While Acer might have kicked this model off their shelves, you can still snag it from various retailers. Its sleek chassis means it slides right next to your monitor or sneaks under your desk without causing a scene. Plus, the vented panels make sure it stays cooler than your favorite ice cream on a summer day. And hey, this isn't just a simple box, it's got flair too. With RGB lighting and a flashy triangular power button, you'll feel like a true gaming legend. Running on Windows 11 Home, it's perfect for both intense gaming marathons and your everyday multitasking. Plus, with a generous 1 terabyte of storage, you'll have ample room for all the games and media your heart desires. So, are you ready to level up your setup? The game is on! Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, Skytech Shadow 4, our pick for best budget gaming PC overall. If you're a savvy gamer trying to snag the latest titles without torching your wallet, meet your new best friend, the Skytech Shadow 4 gaming PC. This bad boy balances affordability and performance like a seasoned tightrope walker. No wobbles here! With the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU and Intel's 13th generation Core i5 processor under the hood, you can dive headfirst into demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Hogwarts Legacy. Talk about staying immersed in those epic worlds. Let's be real, you don't want a machine that requires constant upgrades every other month. While it may not flaunt the flashiest specs, the RTX 4060 packs a punch for today's gaming scene and is ready to stick around for the ride. Plus, the generous 1 terabyte of storage means you can amass a glorious library of games without worrying about running out of space. And hey, it's not just a workhorse, it's a looker too. With its sleek mesh front and dazzling RGB lighting, your gaming setup is about to go from meh to wow! Add in 4 whisper quiet cooling fans and 6 USB ports, and you've got a gaming tower that's as practical as it is stylish. So, if you're ready to elevate your gaming experience and keep some cash for snacks, the Skytech Shadow 4 is your ticket to gaming glory. That's a wrap! We hope you had a blast going through our list of budget gaming PC. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which budget gaming PC you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.